How to edit text on Wix website mobile menu. So hey guys, today in this video I'm going to tell you how you can edit text and make changes in the mobile version of Wix.com, of the website that you're working on, sorry. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to log into Wix.com, and here you can see there are a lot of features on this main homepage uh, on which you'll land on after you just logged in. You can also call it a dashboard if you want, and there are a multiple of features that you can use, but we need to click on design site and open the website that we're working on. So this is the website, guys, that I'm working on. Now what do we need to do? We need to click on this mobile icon right here. So it's going to show our website in the mobile version. So if we are using a mobile, or if a visitor is using a mobile, he or she is going to get this view. So in order to change the text, we can just click on these text, and here you go. I've just clicked it, and we can just increase its size and decrease its size as much as we want. We can also do it from here, this -a and +a. We can also change its size from here, and we can also add animations if we want to add it, just like this. There are multiple, variety of things that we can do. We can also change its color if we want, color according to the theme we have selected, or we can add our own colors if we want. But that's how we do it. We can also change the alignments if we want. That's completely up to us. And we can also change the menu. Let me just show you from the beginning. When we click these three lines right here, here you go. It's going to show us this: home, about, my blog, contact. We can also manage it if we want, add menus if we want, or we can also, let me just do it and then I'll tell you. Wait a second. Yes, we can, you know, uh, change its settings if we want. That's completely up to us. We can also design if we want, like color, border, and opacity, and shadow, and text as well. If we need to change the text, we can also do it, and we can also animate these if we want to animate these. So that's completely up to us. But moving on, we can change this picture if we want, its size, its formation, and everything. Moving on, we can also change, these other pictures and other like content that we have used on our website. That's completely up to us. But this was the main thing which I wanted to tell you, the basic thing that you need to know for this video. So I hope you found this video informative. Please do like the video and subscribe the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.